Racing just is started. We have medals time. Break quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside touch of class Tala sa umaga. Also showing speed. The next online is blowing hot. And on the outside now is Ho Ho Ho. In the middle portion. Now is Majestic Queen Starter. Run like the wind. Racing second last is Terrible Heart. While Substantial is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have medals time by out ahead. Blowing hot in second. Then on the inside, Tala sa umaga. Moving up now on the outside is Ho Ho Ho. This time within a perfect striking position. And now ready to pounce. Down on the inside now is Gobilis. Then next online now is Majestic Queen. A starter run like the wind comes next. Terrible Heart while Substantial is still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We are blowing hot followed by Ho 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 in second. And then now entering the home stretch. We are blowing hot. This time by about 4 lengths. Ho 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 remains in second with about 100 meters up the race. We have a long shot blowing hot by about 6 lengths over Ho Ho Ho. And finally it's an upset by blowing hot over Ho Ho Ho. Then comes medals time starter Gobilis.
Stunning